This is an Insta360 X3 action camera. I bought it really for two reasons. One is to use it as an action camera. It has two lenses and photographs 360 degrees. And then you can frame it afterwards down to 1080p in just the portion of the 5.7K that you want. But I also wanted to use it as a vlogging tool, which I'm trying right now, until I discovered that the microphone, while good if you're holding it near you, is not quite so good when you use the invisible selfie stick. So this would necessitate really buying an external microphone like the Rode Wireless, or the DJI makes a mic as well. So I'm going to show you what that sounds like in just a moment. So took the time now to hook up a Rode Wireless microphone, and this of course should have real good pickup compared to just using the mic on the Insta360. So I'm going to demonstrate in a minute why I think the DJI NEO is the best alternative for doing this kind of vlogging. But you know, you can put this behind you. Since the selfie stick is invisible, it almost looks like it's a little drone flying behind you. But the setup it took to accomplish this compared to the DJI NEO is, well, there's really no comparison. This is a much more difficult operation. This is what the Rode wireless setup looks like, and this is what it looks like when it's attached to the camera. It takes a little bit to do this, and you want to make sure it fits into the stitch line of the invisible selfie stick. And this entire setup costs approximately the same as the DJI NEO. All right, so now I'm using the DJI NEO and just recording my voice on my iPhone. It's going to be synced to the DJI when I finally download the video. But this is a much easier way to vlog, I think, than to set up the Insta360 with the Rode microphone. So this is an example of using it in follow me mode, but you can also use it in direction track or just fly with the drone ahead of you, and it will work fine. So this is another way to vlog using direction track. You can just have the NEO move backwards as you walk forward right into it. And once again, record your voice on either an external microphone or on, just on the microphone from the iPhone, which is fine. And the software will cancel out the noise of the drone, which is pretty remarkable. Pretty windy out here today. We'll see how it does with the wind. I'm vlogging now by just walking behind it. I'm using the controls on the iPhone to move it forward. See what the stabilization is like, given how much it's bouncing around in the air.